Hello, seniors.
Hi, senior.
Hello, seniors!
Ay parating aking pagbati sa mga natatanging mag-aaral na nagkamit ng mga karangalan.
Congratulations for making this far.
Ito na ang ika-4 na taon ninyo at huling taon ninyo na bahagi ng Unit 3 family.
To the Galeon Zafires, the brave sailors of Galeon Zafires.
So, first of all, congratulations to this batch, okay, seniors.
How do you start saying goodbye to people who you loved so much for more than 10 months? To my dear seniors, you made my first year of teaching so memorable. I'm so proud of your achievements. Congratulations.
My dear seniors, first of all, congratulations for a job well done. And someday you will become professionals. And I hope you are going to use what you learn in your stay here in CSA. And I do hope if ever we will see each again, maybe after college, you will become a better professional. So again, good luck to your college and just be with you and hope to see you soon. God bless.
It's a great and beautiful year with you. So, what else can I say? Just congratulations to you and keep soaring high. Okay, in just a span of 1 year or 10 months, I am so happy. Thank you very much for your commitment and thank you very much for your dedication. To all my culinary arts students, keep your heart flaming and keep your skills in cooking, and then you will use it soon. Okay, thank you. I love you all.
Naway pagbutihin pa ninyo ng lubos ang inyong pagsusumikap upang makamit ninyo ang inyong mga pangarap at hangarin sa buhay. Malawa, nakalulungkot isipin na ilang linggo na lang, mamamaalam na tayo sa isa't isa. Eksaktong 2 linggo. Hindi ko alam kung paano tatanggapin na ayos na kayo sa parang ito. Mga batang minsan naging sakit ng aming ulo, mga batang minsan naging bahagi ng aming buhay hanggang sa naging mabungang ating pagsasama saan musbong ang mga pagkakaibigan at ang mga karanasang hindi malilimutan na binuo ng 3 taon nating pagsasama. Hindi ko alam kung emosyonal ako, pero alam na ninyo na marahil kung gaano kahirap sa isang guro na makitang umalis ang kanyang mga mag-aaral para magpatuloy sa kanilang buhay. Sana sa inyong paglisan, madami kayong natutunan na alam ko magagamit ninyo sa bagong panimula at yugto ng inyong buhay. Hanggang dito na lang muna. Maligayang pagtatapos at sa muli nating pagkikita.
Another life is waiting for you, and I pray that you'll continue to do your very best. Whatever you did this year, I hope that you will do better and prepare for the life that you like to live. Once again, congratulations. I'm very happy for all of you. Thank you.
Unang taon ng pagtuturo ko, kayo mga estudyante ko. Nagulat ako kasi halos lahat sa inyo matatas sa Ingles pero sa Filipino hindi. May lalapit sa akin, Ginang, ano po ibig sabihin ng asignatura? Gulat ako kasi alam ko ang subject ko pero hindi alam. Ultimo, ang sukat ng papel, sige maglabas ng isang kapat na papel, hindi nyo malaman. Pag nagpapapasa ako, gulat ako dahil ang class record ko bungi-bungi. Pero ngayon, ika-4 na taon, ang laki ng pagbabago. Ang mga dating salita, gamay na gamay nyo na. At bukod dito, ang laki ng pinagbago at ikinaunlad ng bawat isa sa inyo. Pag pumapasok ko ng klase, ang ilan sa inyo babatiin ako ng buong pangalan ko. Ang ilan naman sa inyo may pagkumpas pa ng kamay. Ang ilan naman sa inyo sasalubungin kami sa labas para ihatid sa inyong silid. Ngayon, ilang araw na lang ang nalalabi o natitira at tutungo na kayo sa inyong kolehiyo. Tuwang-tuwa ako na naging bahagi ako ng inyong paglalakbay dito sa Kolehiyo San Agustin. Naway maging maganda ang paglalakbay at gawin ang lahat upang matamo ang inyong mga pangarap. At kung saan mang bahagi kayo ng universidad mapupunta, huwag kalimutan na naging bahagi kayo ng Kolehiyo San Agustin. Isang mapagpalang taon at naway maging mahusay ang lahat para sa inyo. Paalam!
I heard you will all be going away soon from CSA. I pray and I hope that this going away would be for all of you a wonderful experience, a time for each and everyone to enter into a brave new world. I pray that you will each be successful in everything you do. I pray that you will all be happy. I hope that each and everybody would make San Agustin proud, and I'll see you very soon. I hope to see you again sometime later on. It is said that the most difficult feeling for any parent is to see their children grow up and move out of the house. I feel the same thing because we have been together for a year, and you know my feelings towards you. I love all of you, and congratulations to your next endeavor outside of CSA. Bye-bye.
Definitely this one of the batch I'll never forget because extremes to I only handled like 4 sections. I had the, should I say quote unquote notorious section, which is 2G, my advisory class, who taught me to become tougher, to be a more stern teacher. I will never forget how the trials that we had, the obstacles that we had as a class, and definitely when I was beginning as a teacher, that was really a test for me. And also since it's an extreme, the other pole would be, of course, the pilot section, whom I'll never forget. It's the only section in my entire stay in CSA which I never got angry with. And also, it would open my cabinets by the mementos that we have had when we had our Gilgamesh, when Arlan was the anaconda-like snake. I still kept it. I still kept the stones, the boulders that we threw at each other during our class. Definitely, this batch, these people that will be close to my heart. People who welcomed me to sing for a band, people who became my friends, people who stayed the same, people who trained with me as debaters. Definitely, once they graduate, isang malaking kawalan for CSA. But then again, as they journey along to their new chapters of their lives, I will always be looking forward on the developments that will happen. So congratulations, wherever you land, I know that you'll shine. Congratulations.
I wish you all the best, and I hope that whatever it is that you will choose to do in the future, you will always remember to start your day with a smile. Joke lang. To keep your feet grounded, remember the good times, and if ever there comes a point that you want to quit and you want to stop, remember why you started, and then that will help you push forward with whatever it is that you're doing. Keep the faith burning, and remember that you will always have a home to come back to here in CSA. Love you!